Good day, kings and queens. Welcome back. Wishing you and yours a warm new year filled with more prosperity and happiness. Today we'll be chatting about meditation, what it is, and its many benefits. And I'll also share my first experience with this ancient practice. So get comfortable and stick around. Meditation, in its simplest form, is just conscious breathing, being still and focusing on the inhale and the exhale, and just being present in the moment. It is used to achieve calmness and mental clarity. It has been practiced in many traditions for centuries, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, and has spread to many other cultures. During meditation, there is no need to pretend or imagine being anywhere. Just be present in the moment and, most importantly, focus on your breath. Try to find a quiet location away from all the noise and craziness. There is no set position. You may lay down, which is my favorite. Sit in the yogi position with your legs crossed, eyes closed or open. Most importantly, you just need to relax and be comfortable. During meditation, your mind will still wander off to the bills, personal issues that rule day-to-day life. But no need to worry. Don't try to stop thinking about them. Focus on one thing: a tree, a plant, the ocean. Listen to the birds or some peaceful music, or simply close your eyes if that feels good. Just focus on your breathing, and gradually your mind will slow down and your thoughts will be like clouds passing over a blue sky. Just trust the process and enjoy the moment. Benefits of meditation include: it helps with relieving anxiety, depression, also clears your mind, helps with creativity, and I can guarantee you, once you make it into a daily routine, you'll be surprised how it sets the tone for the day. It allows you to connect with spirit and the universe. It's your boy Weezy, and this morning we're just gonna have a little story time. I'm gonna talk about my experience with meditation, how I first got into meditation, and why I continue to do meditation. So, first time I experienced meditation or practice meditation, as you would say, was in a group setting. I was actually at work, and from time to time they have quarterly meetings, or just a recap of what's going on in the business. So at the end of the session, the host said, "Hey, would you guys like to try a new experience?" So everybody was a bit afraid at first. Everybody was more on the defensive, like, what is this all about? So she said, "We're gonna try meditation." And what happened is that she turned off the lights. It was about 10 persons in the room, and it was a small room without small desk. Everyone was around the desk, and she turned off the lights and she started playing a YouTube video. Alright, this type of meditation that we were going to go through was a guided meditation. So someone was talking in the background, telling you positive affirmations about life and things you want to achieve. So the person was talking in the background. There was like music playing. So bear in mind, this is my first experience with it, so I didn't know what to do. I've always heard of meditation. Your bird them, man, they must sing, they must agree with me. But so what we were doing now, we were in the room, and it was my first experience. So what happened? is that she turned off the lights and we started the session. The person started talking. At first there was mumbling in the room, but then the room got quiet. The session lasted for about, I would say maybe 3 to 5 minutes, but it seemed like forever, and the room got really quiet. Bear in mind, this is my first time doing it, so I didn't know what to do, but I just closed my eyes and listened to the voice, and before you know it, I just felt like I wouldn't want to say a trance, but it's like you forgot that the other persons were in the room and you were just focusing on that one voice and on your breathing. At the time, I didn't know that what I was doing. I was saying, people, after the session ended, she stopped the video and she turned on the light. The room was completely quiet. You could hear a pin drop. But I'm telling you, nobody was saying anything. Then you heard persons mumbling. So the host said, would anybody like to share their experience? Peer mumbling in the room. Nobody come out and said, this is what I experienced. So I decided to speak because, trust me, I never experienced nothing like that before. It was more of a calming experience, you know? As remember I told you that I even forgot that the other 10 persons were in the room. And it just felt like I was there by myself for a good while, just in, I wouldn't want to say a trance, but more of a relaxed mode. You weren't thinking about your bills, where you go eat for lunch, anything like that. You never stop thinking about those stuff, the thoughts are still there. But after a while, because you're so focused on your breathing and the voice, the person speaking, it's like the thoughts still go there, and no matter what kind of thoughts come to you at the point, it won't disturb you once you're focused on the breathing. So meditation is a very beneficial after thing. The session I spoke with the host, and we became very good friends, and she shared a couple YouTube videos with me and tips about how to achieve the most out of meditation. And why it's been one of the best experiences, as it really helps with anxiety, it helps with depression, it helps with overthinking, helps to clear your mind. Because no matter, and I've been doing meditation ever since. It's been about maybe 2 years. I'm not the most consistent person at doing it, but what I realized that, you see, if you try to do it consistently, like on a daily basis or every other day, it just makes the day flow easier. It's like you look forward to doing it. Look forward to having that little session where you have time, where you have peace, you find some amount of calm, and then you can start your day. It helps with creativity as well. But basically, meditation is not anything complicated. It is just more of focused breathing, like taking in the good, exhaling the bad. Yeah, that was my little story time about my experience with meditation. I hope, you guys found it beneficial. If you did, feel free to like, share, or subscribe. Trust me, I really appreciate the support so far, guys. The likes, the shares, the comments, it helps. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a good day.